Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adri. As you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing some maintenance on my mullet. I did promise you guys that I would be doing an in-depth tutorial on how I cut my mullet, but I am trying to grow the back part out, so I won't be cutting that part today. I may insert some clips from the last time I cut it to show you guys how I do that, but today I'm mainly just going to be doing the sides and the top. So if you are interested in seeing my process and seeing how I maintenance my mullet, then keep watching. Alright, so my main goal today is to try to get rid of some of this bulkiness on the side. Where it's buzzed right here, it kind of fades into where the layers are, and I think with my hair being so thick, it kind of does this like little mushroom thing, especially whenever it's styled and like blow dried. Like it's flat right here, and then it like gets really big right here, so it like makes it look like a mushroom. So what I'm gonna try to do is like I'm gonna try to buzz down this underneath so it just lays flat and so it doesn't look so bulky. I'm using these hair clippers. I'm using the 1mm guard, and I guess I'm just gonna start by like going right behind the ear and make my way around. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm really afraid I'm gonna mess it up again. Like this is exactly what I was trying to do the first time I did this haircut, and I like really fucked it up. Like some background on like where I'm at with my hair before I do this is like I had originally like a totally different style mullet. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but it was like more like longer on the sides and it was shaggier, and like it was a great haircut. Like I loved that haircut, but like I saw a picture on Instagram or something of like a girl's mullet that was like buzzed down on the sides like this. And I just thought it looked so cute, and I was like, I have to do that. So me, like being super impulsive and like not even thinking, like I didn't even watch any videos or anything. I was like, I can do that. So I got my clippers and I just started buzzing, and I ended up cutting way too much hair off. Like if you look, and I've been growing it out, like what I've been doing is I cut it and it was way too short. And so I just like tried to cover it up with the rest of my hair, and I've been like gradually growing it out. So I had cut it like all the way like up to here, and this is like the growth from the past few months that I've been growing it out. And like even this right here, like I'm trying to grow that to be as long as this, so I cut it just like way too far back. But I've been gradually growing it out and keeping this part short. And so I had to like fade it in so it would look like a little bit more natural and it didn't look weird. But now that it's grown out quite a bit, I just don't like this bulk right here. So that's what I'm trying to get rid of. And hopefully I do it right this time and don't mess it up like I did the first time. But so I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna try to figure out exactly, I'm like so worried about fucking it up. Okay, I tried to like bobby pin it to section it, but my hair is just like too thick and it just keeps falling down. So I'm just gonna have to hold it with my hands and hope for the best, but here I go, I guess. Well, what do y'all think? I don't know, I think I did a pretty good job. Looks pretty much how I wanted it. See, that already looks like so much better to me. Like how it's like flatter right here other than this like big lump. Like that's pretty much what my goal was. So I am going to go ahead and let me just do the same thing on the other side. I don't know, I'm still not completely happy with that. I think it looks like bulkier on this side, but I'm afraid if I keep going, I'm just gonna like keep cutting each side shorter until I cut way too much again. But that being said, I'm not done. Okay, I'm pretty much done with the sides. That's how much I cut off. And see how it like lays over now? That's what I want, that was what I was going for. So now I am going to trim the top. And I also want to get some of the bulk off of like back here to make it look a little bit more textured. I almost like didn't record this video because like I know it's not a super in-depth tutorial like I wanted, but I really was just getting so tired of that bulk on my hair, and I want to just document everything that I do to my hair, even if it's something small. But I will be doing another hair dye video like next week or something because it's so faded. Okay, since I cut some of the length off the top, now I'm going to use these texturizing scissors just to kind of thin it out a little bit. And I kind of just like do this randomly. I don't have any like specific method because I just like pick the areas that look a little bit too bulky and thin it, you know? And I am gonna go ahead and point cut around the edge. And I really want to cut off these like dead ends like on my bangs, but I really don't want it to be like just straight across. I want this like angle thing I got going on. Sorry, that was my cat. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it and see if there's any spots I need to clean up some more, and then I'm going to style it and I will be right back to show you guys the result. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I know it's not like a super drastic change. I actually was contemplating not even doing this video today, but I don't know. I just needed something to get out of my own head. Like, I don't like, not only was my hair a mess, but like my apartment's a mess, my life is a mess. I don't know. I just needed to film this video just to feel like I have my life together somehow. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You know, what do you want me to do to my hair? What color do you want it next? I'm going to be dyeing it next week or whenever. So let me know if you want to see any particular color and I will put it on my list. So yeah, if you want to see me do more stuff to my hair, go ahead and subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!